अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। तो गाइस आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं असैसिन क्रीड मिराज का एक और
There
गेम
he
प्ले।
is.
तो
Now
बगैर
is
किसी
my
शोर शराबे के इसकी भी प्ले को शुरू करते हैं।
لعنك الله.
Turn your hate inward, Masood. It is your wickedness that has led you here.
Wickedness? To whom? The unenlightened? The feeble who have cast their lot? It is our divine will to rule over them. Our duty to exact their contribution.
Contribution to what?
To what could be. The very knowledge of which lies buried beneath these sands.
Some things are meant to stay that way.
No. These are gifts.
Me?
Oh, yes. A hidden one you may be, but not just. To die!
Nihal?
Basim.
Stand straight and eyes front! The warlord is arriving and will tolerate no disorder.
Better. The heft is good. The balance, too. The hilt is still a bit tight. Let us see if the edge is better. Whoever bears arms against us is not one of us. You chose the wrong side, my friend.
Judgment belongs to Allah, not you.
It's still sticking. Make the blood grooves deeper.
Time to put the dog down!
We should free the others. Then you can lead your men outside. I will deal with Wasif.
Outside? Don't be foolish. This is the perfect beginning. We are going to pull this place down.
The warden has the key to our cells. Be careful. He's more dangerous than he looks.
There is the warden.
What?
He...
Down with you! You won't escape! There, got you!
Key to the cells. Now to release the others.
Fun's Oberschützer!
Turn and face me!
Cover fire. Ali will lead us to our revenge. For Beshi!
No!
Your men are free. Now I must find Wasif.
There's a signal fire just above here. Once lit, it will raise an alarm throughout the garrison. The guards will come to us.
And I will find a way into his room while he is alone. All right. I will light the fire.
Do not forget our agreement.
I have not forgotten.
No! Get back here! Shit! I can't breathe!
What do we do? We are surrounded.
Be silent! Take this down quickly. The Zindiq Ali and his rebels have attacked the garrison. Request reinforcements. Seal the letter. When the door is breached, find a way through and deliver it to the Khalifa. On your life.
Yes, Saidi.
Promises he will pick me up with. I don't really believe it.
Composed and silent, even when trapped. Al-Mardikhwar indeed.
I'm glad I never learned to read.
A feather. Isn't that ironic? Was it taken from an eagle who fell out of the sky?
A symbol of freedom. A word you did not use often. And never will again.
Oh. So this is freedom. Yet, I do not see any way out.
We will have to fight our way out. Our revolution begins now! With me!
This may not be good.
That's it! I'll double That's you! There you are! Good one, but keep your guard up. There you are!
Why do they fight? Their world look lies dead already. That is it. Let us get out of here.
Follow me! Stay close!
Is this what you mean by freedom? Brawling our way out of a garrison?
Why? Do you lack the stomach for an honest fight?
No, I just prefer an honest assassination.
Too slow!
What's the matter with you? I hope you trained your men better than the warlord trained his.
Can you not see for yourself? The fight is almost over already. I see. Well, they done it. Got you!
We made it! That was close.
Not close. Inevitable.
More guards!
Don't like this one bit. I will be real.
You fight to the death. Perhaps our cause appeals to you more than you admit.
That is the last of them.
Let us go out the same way we came in.
Oh no, my friend. We are leaving through the front gate.
Fled by now? Lurking nearby.
This is a good day. I will meet you at the bureau.
तो गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही है। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
Our fight begins! We will have freedom or death! God is